my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. Put your drink, got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love, then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with a video. We're back with another video. Okay, so I know I look like crap. I don't got no makeup on. I am gonna do my makeup in a little while. I just wanted to hop on and film this video real quick. I'm super excited. I was waiting for this package, and when I checked the tracking, it said that it was gonna get delivered on Monday, and today is Saturday. But I took a nap because I got all sad, and then I woke up and checked again, and it said delivered. So I went outside and got the box, and here is the package. Okay, this box is too big to even try to fit it in frame. So I got my box. I got my little whatever this is. It's like a really cool knife. I think it's like a wire cutter, whatever, but I'm using it. So if you're wondering what I got and you want to know what's in the box, you obviously saw the title already and the thumbnail, but keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna open my box. Oh, I didn't think this was gonna be this big. Okay, so here it is. I got the Canon Dare to Dream Video Creator Kit. This is the Canon Eos M50 Video Creator Kit, and that is everything that comes with it. So my best friend August just got a camera, and her quality is really nice now. Like, it was nice before, don't get me wrong, but like you could definitely see the upgrade. So I'm super proud of her. I think she got the Canon M200 if I'm not mistaken. So I was doing a lot of research, and I was gonna get that camera, but then my boyfriend was like, why don't you just get the Canon M50? It's the same price. So I started doing research for the Canon M50, and I actually think I was like drawn more to the M50. I'm not sure, but I don't know, something about it just caught my attention. So yeah, I kind of wish my camera was facing this way. I'm going to try to change it so that the lighting is a little better. Okay, so this should be a little bit better as far as lighting goes. Again, I know I look like crap, but I was really waiting for this camera today to film my makeup with the actual camera. So let's open this bad boy. Okay, so the first thing in the box, that's what it looks like, is the SanDisk Ultra memory card. Is a 32 gigabyte memory card, which is good because I'm gonna obviously need space to record stuff. I'm probably gonna get a bigger one, most likely like a 64 gig, because I don't think 32 gigs is gonna hold much of anything for me. But it doesn't matter, because as soon as I'm done recording, I'm probably gonna transfer it to my phone or my computer. Okay, so this one did come with a Rode microphone. So it says that this is the Video Mic Go lightweight on-camera microphone, which looks like this. Really cool. I'm probably most likely gonna leave this set up in my room. But when I do want to vlog like around the house, and if I'm going out to do groceries or whatever, I'm probably gonna take it off because that is quite noticeable, and I'm not there yet, you know. So here's the actual box for the camera. Alright, so right on top we have a whole bunch of booklets, like user manuals and warranty paper stuff, you know, that nobody ever reads. So it comes with this. This is like the little strap to put it around your like shoulder or neck or whatever. I'm probably gonna put this on because I'm very clumsy. So I believe this is the lens. Oh yeah, this is the lens. So nice. You see, I'm clumsy. I almost dropped the damn lens. So that is the lens. Fancy. So it does come with a battery. I also ordered, I think, 2 backup batteries with another charger from Amazon. I'll show you guys that later. So little battery, really nice. I believe this is the charger for the battery that it comes with. Yeah, so this is the charger for the battery. You just flip this out, plug it into the wall, and put your charger here. Okay, last but not least, the actual camera body. I'm so excited. Oh my god, this thing feels so light. I'm so freaking excited. I feel like I completely deserve this, and I'm really doing this for you guys. I want my quality to be like 100% like bomb for my Rose family. Oh, I can't believe I got a freaking camera. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like, and it does have a flip screen. This is a mirrorless camera, and when I was looking into cameras, I really wanted something that had a flip screen that would turn so that when I'm recording I can actually see what I'm doing and I don't have to set up a freaking monitor. And this also does autofocus. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk about all this techie stuff right now because, you know, no, I'm just super excited. I want to turn it on, so I'm gonna turn it on. I'm supposed to hold it or something. Okay, you know how excited I am that I just pressed the on button and I'm like, why is it not turning on? I don't know, maybe I should put the battery in. Okay, so it's on. It's asking me to set some stuff up, so I'm gonna do that real quick off camera and then I'll be back with a little demo. Oh my freaking god, my battery right now has like 2 little bars, so I'm really gonna have to charge it before I start filming. But oh my freaking god, I am super freaking obsessed. Like, what? Right now I don't have the mic plugged into my phone. It's upstairs in my closet. So yeah, this is the audio on my phone. So this is the audio on my camera, the M50. And then for a side-by-side comparison, this is the audio on my phone. Oh, this is the recording / video on my phone, and then this is the video on the M50. So yeah, I personally can't hear the audio, but the camera is about to die, so I'm gonna put it to charge. And I just wanted to show you a quick little thing, how quickly it focuses. And back to me. Like, that is amazing. I'm using natural lighting right now, so yeah, this is what it's looking like, and it is capturing my like color really nicely. I can't wait to start recording and taking pictures with this. So yeah, I am freaking excited. So I'm gonna go back to my phone and finish recording on my phone. Okay, so before we head to the outro, again, I know I look like crap. I'm about to film a makeup video on my camera. I did pick this up from Amazon, so I will leave it linked in the description bar. This is the BM Premium Camera Power and Care Bundle. This kit includes 2 batteries for the Canon camera that I have and a charger that charges both of them, so like a dual type of charger. This is what it looks like. So this is the dual charger. It does come with like a USB cord, so you would just plug it in here and then find the box, or you could charge them in your car. And then here are the 2 batteries. My videos are normally like when I'm filming, take me like an hour to 2 hours to film, so I figured I'm gonna need the batteries. And there they are. So those are the batteries. I would try to always keep my main battery charged, but yeah. So that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think about the comparison, the side-by-side view. I'm super excited to start filming some better quality videos. So yeah, I'm about to do that now. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Can
you play that again?
We've been through the 305